we are in a crisis here with this Delta variant. We have looked in the past, when our percentage got up to or was around 5 or 7%, the concern positivity rate 5 or 7% was quite a concern, and now we're up over 20% with the testing that we have implemented. Many of you know that the county opened up two testing sites as of Saturday. City of Tampa opened up a testing site this week and plan to open another on Monday. And so there will be plenty of locations to be able to be tested. There are many opportunities to be able to be vaccinated. And that's why we are here today, is again to implore the community to go out and get vaccinated if you have not been vaccinated yet. From what the medical personnel that are behind me, what they will tell you today is that with this Delta variant, that if you have not been vaccinated, then you have around 100% chance of contracting COVID-19. So that's a pretty bold statement there, that you need to be vaccinated. You can still contract COVID-19 after vaccination, but the results are much less severe than they are in those that are unvaccinated.
As a healthcare leader here in Tampa Bay, as an ER physician, and as a parent of 3 young kids who recently started school, I hate to tell you this, but the healthcare system is in crisis because of COVID. None of us want to hear this. We're all tired and we're all fatigued, but we have to accept that. Let me give you some proof points. In early January, we had about 100 patients with COVID admitted to our hospitals across BayCare. 100. Fast forward a month, we have 1,000 patients that have COVID right now across BayCare. 400 of them actually reside in Hillsborough County. That's a 10-fold increase that we've seen. The majority of those patients that we're seeing are unvaccinated. We're seeing unvaccinated people end up on ventilators. We're seeing unvaccinated people pass away.
This is a surge like we have never seen in the past. Our staff, nurses, doctors, lab technicians, respiratory therapists, all are working tirelessly, or I should say tiredly, to take care of more and more patients that are coming in. We're capable of doing it, but we thought we were going to get a break.
I'm asking you in Tampa Bay to do your part. Along with my colleagues behind me, I agree, most important thing is get vaccinated. And getting vaccinated protects everyone.
I contracted COVID in December of 2020. Was 38 years old. At the time, I was running between 20 and 30 miles a week, working out 5 days a week. I'm a father of 5, so my lifestyle is pretty active. Always considered myself a very active and healthy person. And while my COVID illness was not pleasant, I thankfully did not have to be hospitalized, and it lasted for about a month of active COVID. And about mid-January, when I stopped shedding the virus and tested negative, my symptoms changed dramatically. And for the next 6.5, 7 months, I could only equate what I went through as hell on earth. We don't talk about enough about those who, a sizable minority of those, 20 to 30% we think, who are living with what's called post-COVID or long-haul syndrome, where you're dealing with the effects of COVID and for months, or even for some folks a year now after having COVID.